Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your homes. So students, today we will continue with your chapter number 8, Image in HTML, page number 87. So in our previous class we have learned about how to enter the image in HTML. Okay, so today we will learn how to add border to that image. Okay, so in HTML what happens? There is a border around it. By default, there is a border around the image. Okay. And you can specify the thickness of the border according to yourself. Okay. If the thickness is 0, it means that the image does not have any border. There is no border around the image. Okay. So you can set the thickness of the border according to your choice. Is it clear? So what you have to do, you have to write the code. HTML code for it. So as you know, first of all you write HTML, then you write the head, then the title, and then you close the title, then close the head and you start the body. Okay, so whatever content you want to write, you place in the body section. So what you did now, you started writing a paragraph. So see, font face, it means you are using, which font you are using? Comic Sans MS. And then you are closing the font. Next is image src, means image source hockey.jpg. You are entering an image of hockey. So the border is equals to 6. Like this way you can change the border's thickness. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write border is equals to the thickness of the border. See, as you can see here, cricket, border is equals to 6. Kabaddi, border is equals to 6. So what will happen when you will save this file and you will open it? What will happen? See, you can see that this image has a border. So the thickness is 6. Is it clear to you? So in this way you can add border to the image. Okay student? So your next topic is alternative text. So you have seen so many times that a message is displayed over there that the image could not be loaded. Isn't it? So what you do, you provide it with an alternative text. Okay. So what happens? An alternative text is added to the web page. If in the case the image is unable to be loaded, what will happen? The text will be appeared in it. So how to apply the text? What you have to do? See, if you have added an image like image src is equals to hockey. You have added an image of hockey. So the border is 6. And if you want to add an alternative text, what you will do? ALT stands for alternative is equals to image of hockey. So by this way you can make use of alternative text. Is it clear to you? Like in this case, image src cricket. So the cricket's image will be added. Border is 6 and alt is equals to image of cricket. So the image of the cricket will be displayed to you. Is it clear? So next is your align an image horizontally. See, you can use the alignment like left alignment, right alignment to control the horizontal positioning. जब भी आप लोगों को क्या करना है, alignment apply करना है horizontally. So horizontally means like this way, left to right or right to left. Okay. So what you do, how to make use of it? What you have to do first of all? You have to write image source is equals to hockey and then align is equals to, if you want to align the image to the left, so you will write left. If you want to align the image to the right, you will write align is equals to right. Okay. So when you will enter it and when you will save this file, what will happen? It will be displayed to you like this. You have entered the image in the left, so left alignment. So all these images are aligned to the left hand side. Is it clear? Next is adding source around image. If you want to add the source around the image, what you will do? Adding space to the image, adding space around the image. If you want to add the space, okay, if you want to add the space, if you want to increase the amount of space, what you will do? You will make use of adding space. Okay, what happens by default? The web browsers display very small amount of space. ओके क्या होता है, जो आपके वेब ब्राउजर होते हैं वो लोग इमेज और टेक्स्ट के बीच में बहुत कम स्पेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज द अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस, व्हाट यू डू? इट इज नोन एज पैडिंग. ओके, इट इज नोन एज पैडिंग. सो हाउ यू विल राइट द कोड ऑफ इट? First of all, you will write the image source, that is hockey. Then you will write the alignment. You want to align the image to the left or to the right or to the center. So you will write the alignment and then H space. Okay, H space is equals to 50. So in this way you can provide the space around the image and the text. As you can see here, the space between the image and the text. Image and the text. Is it clear to you? See, as you can see in the previous cases, the image and text are very close to each other. But whenever you will apply this, what will happen? A space will be provided between the image and the text. Is it clear? Now, if you want to align the image vertically, if you want to align the image vertically, it means to the top, to the bottom or to the middle. So what you will do? You will make use of align. See, image source is equals to kabaddi, align to the top. Okay, you are aligning it to the top. Is it clear to you? So what will happen? The alignment of the image will be to the top. The image is shifted to the top side. Is it clear? So in this way you can align your image to the top side. So next is your wrapping text between two images. If you want to wrap the text between the two images, so what you will do? You will make use of this command. Is it clear to you? Okay, so what you will do? You will write the code given as follows. Okay, then you will write image source is equals to hockey and align it to the left side. Okay, and next picture you will align it to the right side. Okay, as you can see, the picture you align to the left is the image of hockey. And the things you align to the right are the image of kabaddi and cricket. So what you can see here is the text is here and the pictures are very far away from it. So in this way you can create wrapping between the two images. The two images are wrapped to each other. Isn't it? You can see these two images are wrapped. The text is here and the images are here. So in this way you can wrap your images, text between your images. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.